Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that's perfect for those who love crafting and adding a personal touch to their home decor, the Hearth & Harbor Soy Candle Making Kit. We found this fantastic product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this kit? The Hearth & Harbor Organic Soy Candle Making Kit is designed for adults who want to explore their creativity and craft beautiful, custom candles right at home. This complete kit provides everything you need to get started, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced candle makers. Let's talk about the features that set this kit apart. First and foremost, the kit includes 2 pounds of natural soy wax, which is divided into 4 8-ounce bags. Soy wax is a great option for candle making as it burns cleaner and longer than traditional paraffin wax. Along with the wax, you'll find a 1,200 milliliters electric candle wax melting pot. This pot is insulated and non-stick, making it easy to melt the wax without the mess. It features user-friendly touch controls, an LED display, and options for manual temperature adjustments, which allows you to have precise control over the melting process. In addition to the wax and melting pot, the kit is packed with supplies to help you create your candles. You get 2 round and 2 square 8-ounce candle tins with lids, which are perfect for housing your finished products. There are also cotton wicks, wick stickers to secure them in place, and wooden wick holders to keep everything stable while you pour your wax. The kit includes wooden stirring sticks, a silicone finger protector, and a silicone trivet to protect your surfaces from heat damage. Plus, there are warning labels and gift tags with twine, making it easy to personalize your creations. One of the most exciting features of this kit is the variety of colors and scents available. You can choose from 16 different wax dye colors and 4 fragrance oils, each in 1-ounce bottles. This means you can truly customize your candles to match your home decor or your mood. Whether you prefer soothing lavender, fresh linen, or earthy sandalwood, you'll find something to suit your tastes. Now, who is this candle making kit suitable for? If you're a crafting enthusiast, this kit is perfect for you. It's also a fantastic gift idea for anyone who enjoys DIY projects or wants to add a personal touch to their home. Think about gifting this kit to your mom for her birthday or as a delightful surprise for your sister. It's a great way to spend quality time together, creating beautiful memories while making your own candles. In terms of practical use cases, this kit can be used for a variety of occasions. Perhaps you want to create unique candles for an upcoming holiday or special event. You can customize the colors and scents to fit the theme, making it a memorable addition to your celebration. Or maybe you're looking for a relaxing hobby to unwind after a long day. Making candles can be therapeutic, allowing you to express your creativity and enjoy the process. Overall, the Hearth & Harbor Soy Candle Making Kit is a comprehensive and enjoyable option for anyone interested in candle making. With its high-quality supplies and thoughtful design, you'll have everything you need to create beautiful candles that will brighten up your home or make special gifts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.